Once upon a cold winter morning, an old woman decided to bake something warm and sweet. She mixed flour and ginger, sugar and spice, and shaped the dough into a little man with raisin eyes and a cherry-button smile. She slid him into the oven and waited. But the moment she opened the oven door, the gingerbread man hopped off the tray and leapt to the floor. "Stop!" cried the old woman. But the gingerbread man laughed and ran. "Run, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me, I'm the gingerbread man." He raced out the door and down the road. A cow saw him first and tried to follow. Then a horse joined in. Soon a pig came snorting along behind them. The gingerbread man was fast, and he knew it. He laughed as he ran past fields, fences, and farms, calling out the same cheerful rhyme. At last, he reached a wide river. The gingerbread man stopped. He could not swim, and the animals were closing in. Just then, a fox appeared on the riverbank. "I can help you," said the fox kindly. "Climb onto my back and I'll carry you across." The gingerbread man hesitated, but the barking and mooing behind him grew louder. He climbed onto the fox's back. As the fox swam, the water rose higher and higher. "You'd better sit on my head," said the fox. Then, "You'd better sit on my nose." The gingerbread man stepped forward, and in one quick snap, the fox ate him up. The river grew quiet. The animals stopped running, and the old woman's kitchen was left with nothing but a warm oven and the smell of ginger and spice. And that was the end of the gingerbread man, who ran very fast, but trusted just a little too much.